Many English learners confuse each and every because they can both describe all members of a group. However, there's a subtle difference. Each looks at things individually, one by one, while every looks at the whole group as a complete set. Today, we'll break down the difference so you can choose the right one in any situation. Each focuses on individuals separately. Imagine you're looking at 3 apples. If you say, "I washed each apple," you are thinking of them one at a time. Every focuses on the whole group as a general statement. Every apple is clean means all of them are clean, but you're not focusing on them individually. Tip: each can be used for small groups or large groups. Every is usually for groups of 3 or more. Each student got a different assignment. This emphasizes individuality, different tasks. Every student must take the final exam. This emphasizes the whole group, all together. You can sometimes use both in the same sentence. Each or every seat in the theater was taken. The meaning is very close, but each sounds like you checked them one by one, while every sounds more like you're reporting a fact about the entire theater.
Each person in this house will wash their own dishes.
And every person will clean their own room too.
Does that mean I have to clean my brother's room?
No, that's not how each works.
The phrase each and every is used for emphasis, especially in speeches or serious situations. Example: I want to thank each and every one of you for your hard work. It means absolutely all of you, with extra importance. Which is correct? The teacher gave each student a different topic for the project, or the teacher gave every student a different topic for the project? Answer: each. Next time, both versus, either versus, neither. 2 item choices. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.